Hello and welcome to this episode of Microchips. In this episode we have a look at some more PCBs from JLC PCB. And just a reminder that I have paid for these PCBs, I'm not under promotion or anything. Anyway, let's get to it and have a look what we've got. So straight on top are some more of my frequency compensation boards, which only cost a few pounds to make. And whilst I was ordering some other boards, I thought I'd just drop those in as well. And we have two packages with circuit boards. So let's have a look at this one. Now JLC PCB package them like this when there's surface mount devices on them. And sure enough, we have circuit boards with surface mount devices. And if you've been watching my previous videos, you will see that these are more of my Arduino based PLL modification boards. I said I wasn't going to revise them again, but I made a couple of tiny little changes on these and I'm very happy with them. They come with the VCO lock indicator and the transistor to mute the PD line for the Amstrads to stop noise getting into the audio circuitry. But these weren't the star of the show. The star of the show should be in here. And here we have some more black PCBs, and these PCBs are for my PIC based PLL modification for the UKFM LC7132 and 7137s. And this is the first board I've made of these, but as you've seen by previous videos, I have prototyped these. So they're looking very good as always. Let's have a closer look. So you can see two places for PLL, one place for the PIC chip. And on the board we have a 5V regulator, we have a VCO lock indicator, we have the transistor to damp one of the lines for the Amstrads, and other little surface mount components that were needed to make the PIC chips nice and stable. So there we have it with IC sockets installed and the headers installed. I will put a video for constructing these. So we're just going to check the 5V regulators working, and sure enough we have 5V on the correct pin for the PIC chip. So happy with that. So let's go straight into testing it. So something's receiving on my Harrier CBX. Let's do some transmission. So channel 1, UKFM. Channel 4 to UKFM. Frequency is a bit low, but there's no frequency compensation in these boards. Or I haven't fitted any frequency compensation into the CBX. But just for a test for the moment, it's fine. So let's flick it down to mid-band. As you can see, the red light on the board flicks to show that the VCO is locked. And we're slightly low on mid-band as well. But that's not a problem. This radio's never been tuned up or set on frequency properly. But that's something we can do in the future. So, as for a functionality test, this is absolutely fine. There's no problems with it, so I'll go on an extended test this. So I will make a video in the future, a little bit more in detail about this. But overall, very happy with this, very happy how it's turned out. It's nice and compact and seems to work well. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.